Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best cheap dog food that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Taste of the Wild Premium High Protein Dry Dog Food. All Taste of the Wild recipes are based on the diet of the wild canines and wolves, as it comes from its name. This particular dog food has parts of real smoked salmon, therefore the unique natural taste comparing to other dry food brands. Other Taste of the Wild recipes contain a variety of rich flavored meats such as lamb, chicken, beef and more rare ones like roasted bison, roasted venison, and buffalo meat. One can find numerous good customers' reviews about its good influence on their dog's health, weight and appetite, in case of picky pups. We highly recommend this kibble food because of its balanced formula which benefits the dog's well-being and treats some frequent unhealthy conditions. Fish proteins along with grain-free recipe can reduce skin issues, thus are recommended by veterinarians in some cases. Also, fish meat proteins are smoother than others, so when it comes to digestive problems, such as producing gas, fish-based food may improve the pet's condition. What's more, the brand has developed its own canine strain probiotics to help canine digestion. Omega-3 fatty acids make dog coats shiny and keep the heart healthy. Pacific Stream dog food is based on the grain-free formula which offers carbohydrates of vegetables and fruits instead of corn and wheat. This recipe contains 4% of healthy fiber of peas and sweet potatoes. Notice that fat contents of this food are higher than is generally recommended, 18% instead of 15%. It is not critical, moreover, usually affects the pet's fur and coat in a positive way, but may be undesirable for senior dogs or ones with health issues. Moving on at number 4, we have the Rachael Nutrish Just 6 Natural Limited Ingredient Recipe Dry Dog Food. First of all, every bag of Just 6 natural dog food is made in the US using the best, mostly domestic ingredients and meat from trusted suppliers. As it comes from its name, this dog food contains only 6 simple natural ingredients plus vitamins and minerals added for nutrition balance. Limited ingredients products are considered more natural and healthy because it's harder to hide useless fillers in their contents description. This lamb meat and brown rice recipe is free from corn, wheat, soy, so goes well for pets with sensibilities, such as boxers. It also is safe for dogs prone to chicken protein allergy. Following Just 6 philosophy, this dog food's formula doesn't contain artificial flavors and other suspicious chemicals. We have included Rachael Nutrish kibbles in our top quality brands of dog food for the price, although there is canned nutrition by this firm as well. Its recipes are among the most preferable by canines due to their rich natural tastes. No wonder, this brand has plenty of dedicated fans. At number 3, we have the Natural Balance Ultra Premium Wet Dog Food. Some canines prefer wet food, so we've found good quality ones for the money. This beef recipe by Natural Balance is called Ultra Premium along with having quite an affordable price tag. And it's worth its name. The delicate canned pate contains 8% of protein and 5% of fat, the optimal ratio for this kind of canine nutrition. Additionally, there are dried kelp on the ingredients list. It's not the common yet super beneficial element in regular dog food. This particular wet dog food's formula is suitable for dogs who have to avoid chicken. There's a liver recipe as well. The good sign is that this food is highly recommended by the customers for picky eaters and canines with sensibilities. Since NB Ultra Premium Wet Dog Food is suitable for all life stages and breeds, it's perfect for pet parents who own several different dogs and get tired by feeding each of them with different foods. The product is available in various sizes. There are cons though. First, the can is opened with the can opener only, which is considered not handy by some buyers. Second, the pate's smell is smoky, therefore some dogs like it a lot while the others may refrain from eating, but it's still a great cheap food for dogs. At number 2, we have the Nutro Wholesome Essentials Adult Dry Dog Food. First of all, Nutro Wholesome Essentials has appeared on the list of the best cheap dog food because it is made of the real poultry parts and doesn't contain any meat byproducts. The rich chicken taste combines with brown rice and sweet potato, with no corn added. The formula also contains dried apples and blueberries along with chelated minerals and vitamins. Although we face much concern regarding chicken meat, only 10% of dog allergies are food sensibilities. Farm-raised chicken, as it is in this dog food, is an excellent source of protein, thus you shouldn't exclude poultry from your canine's diet unless they are intolerant of it. There are also salmon, lamb and venison recipes, the real temptation even for a picky eater. Nutro, being on the market since the 90s, claims that all its poultry comes from farms inside the USA, and guarantees that all Wholesome Essentials nutrition is GMO-free. It also contains no artificial preservatives. Available in 2 sizes for different breeds, regular kibbles and small bite ones for small and tiny dogs. We'd like to add that proteins and fat contents in this dry food may be low, but still suitable for older dogs though. As it is stated on the label, this canine food is aimed for adult pets, not puppies. And finally at number 1, we have the Purina Beneful IncrediBites for small dogs dry dog food. Need top-rated puppy food? The last but not the least in our top picks of cheap yet quality dog food is Purina Beneful IncrediBites for small canine breeds. We have to add that Purina has experience in producing pet nutrition since 1894. Nowadays, dog food by this brand is one of the most inexpensive on the market. Check the other Purina Beneful dog nutrition to find the recipe suitable for your canine. There are series of recipes, where you can find best cheapest puppy food, large dog breeds, for shedding weight, as well as yummy treats. This particular beef recipe is high rated by dog owners, 98% of customers recommended it, who claim that it comes well even for picky eaters. The ingredient is the real meat, and it is the most important thing when we talk about dog food. Beneful IncrediBites formula for small dogs fully satisfies their nutritional needs. It contains 27 grams of protein per cup, calcium to keep small dogs' bones healthy and more calories to sustain the higher metabolism. Carrots and peas are main non-meat ingredients, but there are whole grain corn and wheat, soybean meal, and corn gluten meal too, which are not suitable for dogs with allergies and diabetics. Additionally, dog parents should consider the size of the bag, which can be too large for a really small teacup dog. There are smaller bags available from online retailers. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.